kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video series on Android app development. And so guys, in this video series I will be developing a camera live filter app using Android Studio. Alright, so basically what our app will do is we will open the app and the camera will be displayed, and there we will have the option of changing our filters. So we will have a couple of filters, and I will try to implement that and teach you, and then I will also teach you uh, how to capture the image and how to save the image inside your internal phone directory. Alright, so it will be an interesting series and I will be looking forward to your comments about this series and how much have you learned in this series. So let's get started. Since it is the beginning, so I want to show you a demo of how the app will look like. So here, as I already have this project, so we will be creating the project from scratch, and you will understand and learn a lot of other things about Android. Alright, so first of all, let me show you the live example or the demo. So here we have the app. When we will open it, so there will be the camera preview. This is my Microsoft Surface Pro 3 and this is my laptop HP. So here you can see we have the filter icon at the right side of it. So you press it and there you can see there is a horizontal scroll bar above this layout, and there you can see none, aqua, black, mono, negative, posterize, sepia, solarize and whiteboard. So if I select aqua, so here you can see we have the change filter live on the camera. Then we have black and we have mono, then we have the negative, then we have the posterize, then we have sepia. Yes, you can see this is the sepia. Then we have the whiteboard here, and that is it. So if I press it again, so it will be hidden. Alright, so I will teach you how to implement that. And if we pick the image, or I mean if we capture the image, so yes, you can see that the image has been captured. Alright, and there you can see the image is captured. And if I go to my files, and there you will be able to see the folder inside your pictures. Yes, here you can see these are the images which I have captured from my Android device. Alright guys, so that was the demo. So let's get started. So first of all, let's create a new Android Studio project. So we will have the new project and we will specify the location. Live camera filters, and you need to click on finish. Now that the project is built successfully, so what we now need to do is, first of all, let's open our project. And before everything, you need to specify the user permission for this app. Okay, so since our application will be using the device camera and also it will be using the external storage, so we need to specify all those user permission first of all. So here we can have users permission, and then here we will have the camera permission first of all, then we will have the write external storage permission. Then we also be requiring the record audio user permission, so we can say record audio. Alright, these are the three user permission which we need. Then now since we have the main activity, so first of all we need to go to our activity main.xml, and here let's try to change the constraint layout. Then here first of all we will have the relative layout. Then we need to remove this text view. Okay, so here first of all we will have the linear layout. Here we will have the match parent, and also the height will be match parent, and the orientation will be horizontal, oh sorry, vertical. Alright, then inside this linear layout we are going to have a frame layout, and in this frame layout we will have the width as match parent, and then height will be 0 dp. Then we will have weight of 1, we will specify the weight, and also we need to set its gravity to center, so we can say layout gravity, and it will be center. And let's specify the id, so here we can say id will be r1 camera preview. Alright, so after this frame layout we are now be requiring some images views. So first of all here we will have another relative layout, and it will be match parent and wrap content, and inside this relative layout we are going to have two image views. So first of all we will have the image view, and it will be match parent, and the height will be 0 dp. Oh sorry, the its height will be 80 dp, since we will be giving the custom height to it. And then we can say, and its source will be the camera, so we will have the padding as 10 dp, and we can say center vertical, and it will be true. Then we set the id as iv capture. Then we will have another image view, and it will be wrap content and wrap content. Then we will have ic okay, center vertical, it will be true. Then we can say align parent right, it will also be true. Then we will set the padding to 10 dp similarly. Then we finally can set the id as iv filter. Alright, so first of all for the drawables, what we can do is I already have the drawables. So I already have the drawables with me, and yes, these are the drawables. So I will just copy that, and for the source code I will provide you the link. So let's copy it and paste it in our drawables. So basically you can also have those drawables from your image assets like blackboard, camera button, and all the other things. So for the blackboard, let me show you how you can have. Go to file new and go to vector asset, and here you can have some images. So first of all if we need to have the blackboard, okay, so I think that is, and yes, this is for the camera. Then we need for the cancel, yes, this is for the cancel. Then we need for film, let's say if we have no, okay, so similarly you can have all the icons from there, or I will provide you in the source code. So here first of all for the image view we will have the source as drawable /ic photo camera white. Alright, and then we will have, okay, so first of all let me see the colors. these are same. Okay, so after this we yes, so here inside our second image view we will have the source as drawable slash IC filter white. Alright, and then we will we will close the relative layout tag, and finally we will close our linear layout tag. Yes, first of all we have closed our relative layout, then we have the linear layout tag, and finally we will be requiring a new XML, so we need to include it. So for that we can say include, let's set the ID to v filters include, then we will have a width and height to be wrap content, and let's specify the layout, so we can say layout equal to layout slash filter view. Okay, so now we will create this filter view class. Point your mouse towards it and click on Alt Enter, and yes, so now you need to click on create layout resource file. Sorry guys. Okay, so guys, here we will now have the layout filter XML layout. So here we will create another file, and inside that, first of all, let me specify the root element or the root tag, so it will be linear layout, and press OK, and there you can see that now the error will be gone. But yes, and let's close it, and now inside our we are inside this filter view. Alright guys, so I think that is enough for now. I will continue in my part 2 of the video. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.